Hi, I'm Heather from Heather Handmade, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Sewers Club sewing subscription box, and this is the February box, so let's see what's inside. So this month, the project is a heart pot holder that is really cute with the heart in the middle. And it's a great decoration for Valentine's Day. Look how pretty this floral fabric is. Look at those pretty like parrots or parakeets. Then there's this beautiful coordinating fabric with some pretty kind of like a watercolor floral. And then there is some yellow coordinating fabric. So these are some bobbin buddies. You put these, put them around a bobbin to keep your bobbin from unwinding. There's some pretty pink fabric. I love that they use Gutermann. That's my favorite thread brand to use. Here is some batting, and here is some insole fleece, pellant insole fleece. So this will go inside the hot pad, protection against the heat. And that's it. That's the project. I'm really excited to make this heart pot holder, and we'll see how far I can get. I just finished these cute heart hot pads, and I love these. I love that this project was a little bit quicker than the first one I did. It went pretty fast. It was fun to learn how to piece together this heart shape. I chose to use the pale pink fabric for the heart, the loop, and the back, this bird fabric. And then on the edge, I did the watercolor fabric. I noticed as I was going that the heart fabric was, it didn't contrast as much with the watercolor fabric. So I actually added some pink contrast stitching to kind of make the heart stand out a little bit. I also loved that the way that we constructed the hot pad was not with bias binding, because I think that doesn't, it's a little trickier for beginners. So I really, I loved the construction of this hot pad. I thought it was really, it was fun and easy. It was fun even though I've been sewing for a long time. I still had a lot of fun putting it together, and I think that a beginner would definitely be able to do this project. I love the fabrics that came this month. I can't wait to hang these up in my kitchen and decorate for Valentine's Day. They'll be fun to enjoy, and I love these beautiful fabrics. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day.